So first, to create a Flutter project, you have to type Flutter create and you have to use your project name. So then you have to change your working directory, cd space and the project name. So to run the Flutter project, you have to type Flutter run. So it will run your default project. Then you have to remember the few basics commands. So to check the connected device, you have to type Flutter devices. So I'm going to type it. I'm opening the new terminal, Flutter devices. So it will return all the connected devices. In case if you connect multiple devices, it will list at the multiple device. Okay. So now we have a two connected device. One is a mobile and one is a web. In case if you are connecting multiple mobile devices, so it will show that. So then you have to remember Flutter run -d and then device ID. Say for example, if you connected two devices, if you run the application for a single device, what you have to do? You have to type Flutter run -d and then you have to type your ID. So I just copy this and paste here. So this will run your application on the particular device. Okay, in case if you have a multiple devices and you want to run the application on a multiple device, what you have to do? You have to type Flutter run -d all. So if you type all means, so it will run the Flutter application on a multiple devices. Then you have to remember few more concepts. So for example, so the Flutter doctor is used for checking the errors on the installation. Okay, so Flutter clean. So in case if you are making a lot of changes, sometimes the application won't work, or if you are making any native changes kind of thing, so that moment you have to use Flutter clean. So it will clear the cache. To generate the APK, you need to type Flutter build APK. So to generate the release APK, you need to just add the Flutter release. So right now you need to remember only three commands: how to create a project, change your working directory, and how to run the application on a device. That is more than enough. Remaining and all, when we are going the next topic, so you will clearly understand.